to one and all. My name is Aditi Ramdas Bhari, a student of Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management. I am going to present a PPT on business research methodology. My topic name is research design. Research design, a plan or strategy for conducting the research. Spell out the basic strategy that research adopting to develop evidence that is accurate and interpretable. Deals with matters such as selecting participants for the research and preparing for data collection. Purpose of research design: to provide answer to research and question to control variance. Characteristics for good research design: freedom for bias, freedom for confusing, control and extraneous variables, statistical correctness for testing hypotheses. Types of research: experimental research involves manipulating conditions and studying effects. Correlation research relationship. Correlation research involves studying relationships among variables within a single group and frequently suggest the possibility of cause and effect. Survey research involves describing the characteristics of a group by means of such instruments as interview, scheduled questionnaires and tests. Ethnographic research concentrate on documenting or portraying the everyday experience of people using observing the interviews involve how much, how efficient knowledge, attitude or opinion the like exist. Case study is a determined analysis of one or the a few individuals. Historical research involves studying some aspects of the past. Action research is a type of research by participants designing to help improve their practice. General research type: it is useful to consider the various research methodology we have described as falling within one or more general research category. Descriptive association intervention type study. Descriptive study: it is a describe as given state of affairs as fully and carefully as possible. Examples: in biology, where each, every and plant and animal species, the meteorologistic describe and information is organized into useful taxonology category. In educational research, the most common descriptive methodology is a survey, as when research summarizes the characteristics of individual or group or physical environment. Associational research: research that investigates relationship is often referred to as association research. Correlation and causal comparative methodologies are the principal examples of associational research. Examples: studying relationship between achievement and attitude, between childhood experience and adult characteristics, between teachers' characteristics and student achievement, between methods of interaction and achievement, between gender and attitude. Descriptive research is not setting Science, since most research went to have complete understanding to people and think, not just describing but not further analysis. Associational study are they too more to are ultimately unsatisfying because it did not permit research to do something to influence or change outcomes. Simply determining interest or achievement of student does not well tell us how to change or improve either interest or achievement. Inter- Intervention studies to find out whether our thing will have an effect on something else. Researchers need to conduct some form the intervention study is a particular treatment is accepted to influence or more outcomes. Such studies enable research to exist. Thank you.